Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Before we begin, I want you to pause just for a moment and notice how you feel. Not how you think you should feel, but how you actually feel. Maybe there's tension, maybe there's stress, maybe there's a quiet heaviness you've been carrying all day. Now imagine this. In the next 15 minutes, you could gently release all of that, not by forcing anything, not by trying harder, but by simply guiding your mind into a different state, a lighter state, a calmer state, a more positive state. Because your mind is more powerful than you think. And today, we're going to use that power to fill your body with positive energy. So find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest naturally. And when you're ready, we begin. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, in and out, allowing your body to settle. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Soften your face. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nowhere you need to go. Just arrive in this moment with your breath as your anchor. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact, your back against the chair or the floor beneath you, your hands resting, your feet grounded. Feel supported, held, safe. Take another slow breath in. And as you exhale, imagine any tension melting away from your forehead, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your stomach. Let everything soften just a little more. Now bring your attention fully to your breathing. Inhale slowly for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold gently for 2, 1. And exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Again, inhale, calm and steady. Hold briefly and exhale, long and slow. With every exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. With every inhale, feel space opening inside you. Continue at your own pace. slow, gentle, effortless. Now begin to imagine a soft, warm light above you. This light is calm, peaceful, safe. It carries positive energy, healing energy, and it's slowly, gently moving toward you. There's no rush, just a quiet presence. As it approaches, notice how it feels. Warm, light, comforting. Now imagine this light begins to touch the top of your head, and slowly it flows into your body. With each breath in, the light expands, filling your head, your face, your neck, releasing tension as it moves. Inhale, light enters. Exhale, anything heavy leaves. Let the light move down into your shoulders, your arms, your chest, filling every space with calm, with clarity, with positive energy. Now the light continues, flowing into your stomach, your lower back, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body is now filled with this warm, glowing energy. Every cell softly illuminated. Every part of you supported. Breathe here. Let the feeling deepen. You are calm. You are safe. You are recharged. Now imagine this light begins to expand beyond your body, surrounding you like a gentle field of energy, protective, peaceful, positive. You are inside this space, and nothing negative can enter. Only calm, only clarity, only strength. Stay here for a few moments, breathing slowly, resting in this feeling. Now, gently bring in an intention, something simple, something positive. I am calm. I am grounded. I am in control. Repeat it softly in your mind. With each breath, let it sink deeper. Let it become part of you, not forced, just allowed. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, to your breath, to the space around you. Take a deeper breath in and a long, slow breath out. Gently move your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take your time. There's no rush. Notice how you feel now. Even if the change is subtle, it matters, because this is something you can return to anytime. Your mind, your breath, your energy are always within your control, and in just a few minutes, you can shift everything from stress to calm, from heaviness to light, from tension into positive energy right here, right now. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.